What's up guys, welcome back to Luther Gaming. We are going to be playing Free Fire again. So I hope you are guys good. And reaction video of Jackson Gaming coming very soon. And what time is grand final starting guys? And I played Indian server just to let you know, okay? Guys, 1 second. We are going to be playing CS Strike Out with no cuts, so I'm going to translate in Hindi. हम CS Strike Out खेलेंगे बिना edit बिना कुछ के भी, बस intro और outro होंगे. So guys, today I'm not making different game videos because it's Sunday and I have exam tomorrow. So tomorrow is my last exam. So after my last exam, I will be playing every single day new games, uploading every single day, morning upload and evening upload. So okay guys, and I will do shorts, two to three shorts every day and 2 uploads every day. So I hope you guys don't get bored. And I know I don't have much viewers, but one day I will grow up, and that's my promise to you guys. Glue on. Oh no. Guys, comment down below if you want me to do collaborations with small YouTubers who are my friends like Jackson Gaming, Master Shivam videos, and more channels. Also Relax Gaming we have. Guys, look at this glitch. Free Fire Max big glitch. I'll update you when the round starts. The round has started, so let's go. Okay. I'll update you guys in the next round. And now fever update. I am actually getting a little okay. So my fever will be set till tomorrow, so I'll be able to upload nicely without any coughs or deep voices. Okay guys, and I'll translate in Hindi now. मेरा फीवर ठीक हो गया अब, मतलब मेरा आवाज़ अब अच्छा होएगा, ठीक नॉर्मल, और मतलब अपलोड करूँगा अब डेली. I'll update you guys when the round starts. So guys, the round is about to start anyway, number 1 on the leaderboards. Guy, what? Sorry guys, I don't know how I died, but I'll, and yes, I will be playing from tomorrow onwards on my cell phone. Now I'm actually playing on iPad, so it's a little difficult to aim and do headshots, but from tomorrow I will actually get my phone to play, and I will update you when the round starts, the other one. Guys, the round has started and they only oh guys, I didn't know that will happen, but it happened, I guess, quite fast. There was only one player on the team. He's here somewhere. And they eliminated. Wow. Guys, round has just started right now, so let's go. This is the scoreboard. Oh guys, we're getting attacked. Oh guys, that was actually my kill, I think, but it's okay. Eliminated, what? One team got eliminated, full team. I'll update you guys on the next round. Bye. Guys, the next round has just started. Oh guys, we are saved. Okay, this is the final, guys, finale. I think we are ready. Whew. Guys, this is the finale round, so we should be prepared, I guess. My mushroom for my teammates, one hose line for the teammates. Oh guys, oh shit, oh guys, that was unexpected. I actually by accident double tapped glue wall. Oh, OP. From behind. अटैक पीछे से हो रहा है. ग्रेनेड बाजी एंड 1 knock, 2 knock and finished. Oh my guys, I hope you are seeing. Very strong grenade. OP. Medimar. And I'll translate in English. I said grenade festival is happening in English. I mean in Hindi. Oh shit. I think we lost this round. Yes, we did. This will be a very long video if we win this game. So I'll update you guys. Guys, the round has just started again. Same map, unfortunately. So, OP guys, OP match. OP, we guys won this round. I'll update you on the next round. Guys, the last round finale has started, so yes. My teammate should be able to take care of that side. Okay, while I take care of this side, I think. Let's rush from inside area. Oh shit. Oh guys, shit. I think guys we maybe won, not sure. Oh guys, that was my kill I guess, but we won. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe, like and comment down below what game should I play next. Bye.